Hi all, welcome to Tasty Cooking. Today we are going to see the review of Agaro OTG 25 liters. The technical specifications are stated. The item weight is 6 kg and 710 gram. In this video, I am going to share my views on using this OTG. This is a Majestic series OTG with black matte finish body. It has a cool touch handle, 3 knobs, skid resistant feet, heat resistant tempered glass. The first knob is for the temperature, second knob is for the heating function, and the third knob is for the timer. So as per the baking, grilling or roasting, we can adjust the modes. This is the back side of the OTG. We can find the brand name at the bottom. So the brand I am using is Majestic series. This OTG comes with the following accessories. We have a tray, a bake pan, tray handle, and then the rotisserie rod and rotisserie handle. We are also getting a instruction manual. This is the inside chamber of the OTG with 2 bottom heating rod, top heating rod and a bulb. So now I am showing you the inside of the chamber. I am placing the tray inside along with the bake pan. Now we will see the functionalities of the accessories. This is the tray handle. So the bottom side down, we have to pull the tray outside carefully. This is the rotisserie rod. The blunt side of the rod should go into the right side screw. Now I am showing how the rotisserie rod can be removed once it is cooled. We can place the handle and take it out carefully. We have 3 knobs. So the first one is the temperature. We can adjust the temperature till 250 degrees Celsius. Next function is heating. First one is no heating. This is top heating, bottom heating, top and bottom heating, rotisserie with bottom heating, rotisserie with top and bottom heating. For baking, preferable is top and bottom heating. Rotisserie is rotisserie top and bottom heating. This is the timer knob. We can adjust the timer as per the requirement till 60 minutes. Once the timer is on, the chamber will be illuminated. The indicator light will be on. After the baking time, it will automatically be shut off. These are the functionalities of the 3 knobs in the OTG. This is how the OTG will look once the temperature is set. We can see the indicator light also on. So once this is done, there will be a bell and as well as the lights will be off. The advantages of this OTG are the illuminated chamber temperature till 250 degrees Celsius, auto shut off, rotisserie and low cost. Disadvantages are no convection fan or drip tray. This is the rotisserie chicken which is done in this Agaro OTG. And the cooked photos. We have also baked some whole wheat cakes, cookies, cupcakes and tea buns. Thank you all for watching and please subscribe for recipes in this Agaro OTG.